is Manson College. This is Manson College. On the occasion of the meeting of Excellency.
Dear country people from Mogamo, for Batibo, for Witicombe, we throw away a salute. Yeah, this morning we have good news for Wana. Say if you not be informed, you be deformed. For Sika say waiting, the American TV lottery, where we be long awaited, send me the launcher. They don't finally launch up. Last year, 19 people they be win for that center. So me you run nana so whether you do with side or you do with side, just come for the nana so you go win your own luck. So this American TV lottery this year, they don't give some special conditions. You must come with your traveling passport. You must come with your traveling passport, and if you be married, you come with your family, we are picking them, so that we apply one. And that traveling passport, they need them not only for the main principal applicant. That means that for man way it is stand for before. Say, Igor, take this family, me to go for America. So me man no miss a lucky. We be talk for one about this American TV lottery. So some people they say how we fit do for reach for this station. How we fit do for play with an American TV lottery. If you want, say me will save you. The one now it don't be digital. Use your Android phone when you want to use them. Keep your phone so sideways. Put your phone sideways. You make sure, say you snap person. Now for white background. And as you snap for the white background, we will show you the sample for this picture. Make the picture be like this how we will show now. You make sure say the 2 ears they come out. Meet the person it look direct for camera. Then the background it be white. You cut them now for chest here. As you do so, you snap your woman, you snap your picking them. You will send her for we. You make sure say when the 2 ears show, me the person you not take your head for up, me the person not take your head for down. Me look direct for camera. If you do so, you was we for the number we put up under here. As you we, you write we. We will play you. As we play you, we will send a confirmation for your WhatsApp, the printer. The only thing where you will need for doing is subscribe for this station. Subscribe so that we will keep update. If anything there, you will know. And for subscribe, you subscribe only one time. Once you already click that button to say subscribe, you see some bell come up for corner. Click that one way, get on top. As you click, and then say anything we will send them, it will inform you say we don't send new things.
The royal choir is coming. It's coming to say welcome. The royal choir is Onayo Papa. The royal choir is coming. It's coming to say welcome. Please.
That's great. About my you see, I really love that girl. It's something which is wonderful. You see, you have to, it's just obvious
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Now, I hear you say you are more exposed. What do you mean by saying that you are more exposed?
I mean, being youth, and you know, we still have many activities in our lives. We are more exposed because we are students, we interact more with the society, we have more to discover, and in the course of discovering that we can get contaminated. So, my name is Amelie Wamba. I'm the SP of our school.
You are the
senior prefect girl.
Okay, of the school.
Yes.
That's good. Yeah, can we know from you what is happening that this age exercise does not seem to be working? Do you have any contribution?
I can say many people say they have confidence in themselves. They think that if you haven't been going around having having sexual intercourse, you cannot be contaminated. But I think you can still contract the disease from using blades, that's unknowingly. So it is safer to know your status because you'll be sure.
Yeah, have you been tested before?
Not yet.
Not as yet.
I'm looking forward to being tested here.
Okay, thank you. I pray that your result be successful, right?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, the eighth-facing exercise is now presuming definitely where it began a few minutes ago. Yeah, Mr. Mbokodere. Yes, sir. Yeah, what is this issue of AIDS all about? You have any idea?
No, sir, I don't have any idea about it.
You have any idea?
I don't have any idea.
Yeah, have you ever been tested before?
No, sir.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You know some of the channels where AIDS can be transmitted?
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell us?
Through sexual intercourse, through blood transfusion,
That's right.
through sling with syringes,
Okay.
and some others.
And some other means?
Yes.
Yeah, who are you?
I'm Cletus Ano,
Yeah, what class are you?
UA5.
You are in UA5. Have you been tested before?
No,
Okay, you're looking forward to be tested?
to be tested.
Okay, that's right. Thank you. Yes, this is our and Sons Swimming Center, Bamenda. That has come to give coverage on this great occasion. Can we know you?
I'm Kinku Juliet.
The audible?
Kinku Juliet.
Yeah, like Kinku Juliet. This issue of AIDS, are you aware about it?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it about?
Sorry. AIDS is a killer disease which is affecting most of us young people nowadays.
You know some of the channels where AIDS is transmitted?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you try to give us some?
Through sexual intercourse. And then you have maternal-fetal transmission to them. And using unsterilized instruments help to transmit AIDS.
And which class are you?
I'm in lower 6.
Okay, have you been tested before?
Not yet.
Okay, you're looking forward to be tested? Okay, we pray that the result is successful, right?
It'd be lovely, yeah. That's for sports fields over here. Yeah. Family picture here. We had some living. Okay.
On behalf of the PTA President.
Okay. Yeah. President? How are you? How many children do you have?
The science students are accused because they want to be doctors.
Okay, I can see him now.
From the window.
Yeah.
This is a laboratory.
Biology, chemistry, physics lab, the other one for chemistry and biology.
See the principal moving there with the ambassador trying to show how the campus is being organized. We have just left from... Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, journalists.
Yeah, can we know who you are?
I am Suka Charles, a discipline master in GHS Mancon. And another assignment given me is I am in charge of cultural affairs in this school. And I want to brief you on the history of cultural issues in GHS Mancon, beginning from its inception. Actually, when this school was created, we had the first traditional dance, which was Mbakalum, and they went well for quite some time. Then later on, we realized that Mancon is so rich in cultural activities. I brought in again a second dance called Asamba, which staged here. And Asamba in Mancon is really an embracing traditional dance that is a peaceful type of dance that when the rhythms and the flutes of it are blowing, you get everybody nodding or shaking according to the tunes of that dance. Then when His Royal Highness, the founder of Guzang, who is the present principal, came, he too showed some interest in Juju dance and called for the training of a Juju dance here. And actually, he as a royal fund really worked much for this dance to be put in place. This dance, the name is DK dance, and it's equally a good dance for the men. So what I've done, as I was given the duty to train the school in cultural affairs, I've separated the dance in two groups. The Asamba is for girls, as you saw them dancing, and the Ndinke is for boys. So that is how far we've gone with cultural activities in GHS Mankon.
Yeah, apart from the cultural activities where we have seen them display, looking at the occasion proper, what have you to say?
Concerning the occasion proper, I'm really very happy. As a son of the soil, because I'm of Mankon origin, I very much wish to have very important guests coming to this institution. It's an institution in the royal area, and when people like the US ambassador come here, they will see how needy the school looks, and they will try to give in some assistance. And I cannot end here without thanking this present principal. He is really the main force behind all the achievements we're having in this school. When he took over as principal here, if you look at his school, you see the renovations he's brought. He is actually interested in the future of young Cameroonians. He's caged the examination students in a place where they cannot easily be tempted to go out. He's actually brought in the construction of the administrative building, which you actually see standing there as a very great masterpiece. And it will give His Royal Highness von Buckingham Sick more time in GHS Mankon. Actually, maybe a university, maybe the minister, maybe all aid that we did in this school will drop in.
Can we know you better?
I'm Chair Jonathan Ambe of Apapa FM and CNTV.
Yeah, you come from Radio Apapa FM. That's great. Can we know your remarks so far?
Well, it's been a very successful occasion. I love the interaction of the American ambassador and the warm reception given to him by the students and staff of GHS Mankon.
Yeah, as a Cameroonian, we have seen His Excellency the American ambassador to this area. What message can we give to Cameroonians in the US?
Of course, I'll just tell them that they should be law-abiding, that the cordiality that is currently existing between Cameroon and America, they should not spoil it, because the Americans are very much at home in Cameroon, and so they should equally feel at home in America and be law-abiding.
Yeah, after this brief visit, what hope, what prospect do you expect from this visit?
Well, concerning the problems presented, I just hope that the American ambassador will come to the aid of other schools, not only GHS Mankon, and like the Bible translation that he has to inaugurate in Come tomorrow, he should equally extend it to other villages and tribes in the Northwest Province and even beyond.
Okay, thank you. Can we know you better?
My name is Abel. I'm town cleaner. I clean the Bamenda town.
Yeah, you are the town cleaner of the Bamenda municipality.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can we know what has brought you to this area where we see you?
Well, this is a government high school, Mankon. Our darling high school. The U.S. ambassador was paying a maiden official walking visit here, and we thought that we should also be there to be part of this history-making event.
Yeah, however, the occasion has started long before now, and we are out of reception. Can we now know your own impression and a word from you to the Cameroonians in the U.S. who are surely going to video to see this video tape?
No, what I want to say is that it has become a jargon. My impressions are wonderful. That's what they always say. And then for the Cameroonians who are in the US, they are our flag bearers. They should make it possible for more people to come there by their good behavior and by their successes, especially in the areas of academics. Those who are doing business, they should do clean business so that we always have a positive image of this place.
Yeah, what hopes do you have after this maiden visit?
Well, he has promised us, and you heard His Majesty from Anwar III. He recounted the history when they started with the heavy equipment, then with the advent of Peace Corps, and of course the ambassador has promised that they will continue to be with us and to work with us to help us so that we can also develop.
Yeah, thank you, Excellency. See you when something, and God bless you.
I'm always available.
Thank you. Who is the main coordinator of what has happened? Jubilating there and sharing live pictures with his children, of course, as a father. You are welcome to the camera.
Thank you.
Yeah, can we have your own impression so far as concerns the occasion?
I'm a happy man today because my children are happy and the whole Mancon community is happy.
Yeah, we have seen His Excellency, the American ambassador to your institution. Can you briefly tell your listeners what actually brought him here?
You know, the American ambassador, we know America is a great country, and at the tail end of my speech we said we should share, and Americans, they love sharing. He just came to share with us, to share good health with us, and to share books and gifts that can go to enhance academics here.
Yes, can we have your last word to Cameroonians in the US?
Well, the American ambassador said it himself, that we have so many of them out there. They go there to tap the knowledge and then come back to help their own countrymen. What I have to tell them is that, you know, we say, they call America bush, and back here in the village, we say once you go to bush, you go to get food and come back. When they go, they get the meat, they should come back and feed the Cameroonian population back home.
Thank you, Mr. Fiscal.
You're welcome.
Thank you, as we are leaving this institution.
Well, I'm very pleased. The students here are paying attention. They want to have a better life for themselves and their family. I think there were a lot of messages today that will help them to have a good life. So I hear a number of them right here. I hope they're paying attention and that they do as they've heard to do. Okay? That's my message. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Excellency. Yes, Madam, can we have your impression in this area?
Oh, I love Bamenda. I love this area very much.
Okay.
It's very nice. The people are wonderful. The weather is great. It's a beautiful area. I like Bamenda very much.
Okay, you have seen your children in school. Are you very happy to see them?
Yes, very happy.
That's great. Thank
very
you.
happy.
See you when time permits. Thank you. Yeah, you see both the students.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Of course, His Excellency, the ambassador, is amidst students of JHS Mancon. To give him a farewell. It is pleasurable to see children gathered along with their father. We expect in a moment from now, His Excellency, the ambassador, is greeting farewell to the ceremonial ground. Thank you. This juncture, His Excellency is leaving the... Yeah. At this juncture, it's about the hours of 1 p.m. His Excellency, the ambassador, the American ambassador to Cameroon, is gliding off the ceremonial ground while wishing the institution the best. Now said that by the grace of God Almighty who brought him to the scenery, we equally take him back to Yaoundé for his diplomatic mission. Thank you. This is live photograph coming through Fontaine and Sons Television Center, Batubo. This August day, the 9th day of the month of December 2005, on the occasion of the maiden visit of His Excellency, the American ambassador to the Northwest Province.
You're everywhere.
I wish I had a little more time. Very happy coincidence. We were granted a technical school. Population helps to put up the classrooms. So I had organized to raise some funds for the classrooms today. And we also have on hand project to preserve the environment. And Your Excellency, you have this.
Thank you.
You begin to read that.
Okay, thank you very much for the proposal. I don't think it's my last visit.
No.
But I consider coming to Mancon a great honor, and to be decorated as you have me and Jenny and Embassy is a particular honor. So thank you very much for bestowing that on us. We've both given a speech this morning in each other's presence. I won't repeat what I've said, but I will just say a few words about the importance of leadership, because there is nothing that happens without it. And obviously you are a leader with much experience. I think other leaders in this room look to you for guidance and for inspiration, because you have been so successful in interest. Thank you very much for your welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, Vision Talk Television fans, His Majesty the Fount of Mancon and His Excellency the American Ambassador to Cameroon are just gliding out of the Fount Palace Mancon for other exhibition alongside His Royal Highness the Fount of Kuza. Thank you. At this moment, television fans, His Excellency the U.S. Ambassador to Cameroon is definitely leaving from the Mancon Fount Palace, where you see the ambience over here, the administration is on, and the security department of Cameroon is taking the lead. However, you see the traditional dances that have come out to grace the occasion. This is Mancon Palace. This is Mancon Palace. On the occasion of the meeting of the Excellency Governor, Excellency U.S. Ambassador to Cameroon. Excellency Mapa. Being jubilating with the ladies of the palace, shaking hands and making a live gesture there before he mounts the podium. At this moment he is taking live audiovisual images there from the Mancon Palace, whereby the background is the center of the traditional hierarchy. Okay, well, the jungle folks are made one time. The forces. At this moment, the members of the armed forces and security are all there, taking live audiovisual images with His Excellency the Ambassador.
Thank you.